fitment of this exhaust, which sometimes is the real challenge in installing exhaust, is actually really, really good. One last quick pass here underneath in the finished state that I want you to see what that looks like. Everything is tight. All of our hangers are tight. Those 13 millimeters are tight all the way around. Our clamps are nice and snug here in the rear. As you can see, we have the new crossbody brace on, and these snug down nicely. We've got good fitment. I have the hit the pipe test. Does it vibrate and hit anything? Is it hitting your heat shield in any places? On this corner right here, I had to push the heat shield back just a little bit. Right here, I had to push it back just a little bit to make sure we had good clearance. Not a big deal, especially on the sides. We come up here through the top, it looks good. I felt like I had a little bit where it's a little tight here at the top, so I very gently pushed the heat shield up just a little bit, like probably 1/4 of an inch. You do not want to drive the center back really hard because your drive shaft is back behind there. It's hard to get it pushed back far enough to hit your drive shaft, but it can happen if you're too aggressive. So just be careful. So everything's tight here, nothing hits. Our upper hanger is good. These are snug down. And then all of our nuts here at the top are tight. So everything is good to go. This is what it should look like when it's done. You can tell this is not a hard project, and this install only takes a few simple tools. And I'm also really pleased with fitment of this setup. The fitment of this exhaust, which sometimes is the real challenge in installing exhaust, is actually really, really good. I mean, it just took a little twist there, a little twist there, and moving the heat shield like I mentioned, and it's good. There are some exhausts that take a tremendous amount of work to get the fitment just right. This is right on point and sounds really good. I am really pleased with these. I love the F87s. I owned one and I miss it. So thank you so much to Matt for making a fantastic product that's great to work with, and this opportunity to test both the resonated and unresonated, which is a really unique experience and really, really cool. Make sure to check them out.